So a math concept I would like to review is slope. It's showing it two ways, whether you're using a graph like this first way, or if you're going to use a slope formula. So either way works. If you have a graph, usually rise over run is a lot faster. Whenever you're doing slope, you have to pick two clear points. So I'm going to pick the y-intercept here because that is a clear point, and I'm going to pick this point right here. Now, the other part with that is you can kind of test yourself. Like if your slope increases from left to right, it will be positive. If it decreases from left to right, it will be negative. So I know that I'm going to have a negative slope for this graph. So now using rise over run, rise is your up and down distance, so your vertical distance. So to get from my first point to my second point, I go down two spaces, so that would be my rise. So here, if I have my slope, rise over run, my first part going down means it's -2, and then my run is my horizontal distance. So then I have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So my slope here is -2 over 5. Now, if we didn't have a graph, or if we do have a graph, we can still use the slope formula. And the slope formula requires 2 points, and it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to use those same 2 points, so this one here and this one here. This point up here as my y-intercept, where x is 0, y is 3. This point over here, x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y is 1. So my 2 points here, I have an xy, this is an xy. To tell them apart, I'll put my first point as 1s, my second point as 2s. Now I'm just filling it in. So my y2 is 1, minus y1, which is 3, over x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is 0. And now just doing the math, 1 minus 3 is -2, 5 minus 0 is just 5. So those are our two ways, one using the graph, the second using 2 points. If you did find this helpful, please subscribe, and if there's any other video I could do for you, please let me know. Thank you for watching.